Hi guys, today we're going to crochet a mushroom which can be used as a keychain or a simple toy. You can modify the pattern a bit, make the stem shorter or longer, change the cap size and color to get different mushrooms. That's a no-sew pattern which is really easy to follow and it takes 10 to 15 minutes to make one. I'll use two colors of plush yarn, red and white, 4mm crochet hook, scissors, white-eyed plastic needle, a keychain basis if you want to make a keychain, a metal ring which is usually sold separately, and pliers to attach it. That's it, really easy to crochet and beginner friendly. Let's start crocheting. I start by 2 chain stitches, you can start by a magic ring. Now I'll make 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 3, 4, 5, 6, mark the rounds beginning and then crochet 6 increases, which means you crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. Increase number 3, the 4th one, the 5th one, and the last one. The second round is ready, you should get 12 stitches in total. Now a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one. Now 6 decreases and you should get 6 stitches in total. Decrease number 2, the 3rd one, the 4th one, decrease number 5, and the last decrease. You should get 6 stitches in total. Now we are going to crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around for 2 rounds. 5, 6, and one more round of 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's the end of round 6. Now 6 single crochet stitches, back loops only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here are the front loops and we're going to use them later. Now one more round of 6 stitches, a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the stem is ready and now we're going to start the inner part of the cap. 6 increases. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last increase, 6. Now a single crochet stitch followed by an increase 6 times. The first increase, a single crochet stitch, the second increase, a single crochet stitch, a third increase, a single crochet stitch and increase, again a single crochet stitch and increase, and the last time, and the increase. Now 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times 2, the first increase, a single crochet stitch, one more single crochet stitch and an increase, 2 single crochet stitches again, and increase, again 1, 2, and an increase, 1, 2, and increase, 1, 2, and the last increase. cut the thread and pull it through the loop. The first part is ready. Now we're going to crochet the ring on the stem, and we're going to use the front loops left in the 7th round. So attach the thread, make a chain stitch, and then crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I fasten the tail in the process. Cut the thread, pull it through the loop. I leave a longer tail and I'm going to use it later for embroidering the scales. Now the cap itself, 2 chain stitches again, and then 6 single crochet stitches into the 2nd stitch from the hook. We are going to increase the cap till 24 stitches, making 6 increases in each round. So 4, 5, and 6. The first round is ready. Mark the round's beginning and then crochet 6 increases. The first one, the second one, increase number 3, increase number 4, the 5th one, and the 6th one. Now a single crochet stitch followed by an increase 6 times. The first increase, a single crochet again, an increase, a single crochet, an increase, a single crochet stitch, an increase, a single crochet stitch, an increase, and the last time. That's the end of round 3, and we need to crochet one more round with increases. 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. An increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, 1, 2, an increase, and one more time, 1, 2, and an increase. The round is ready. You should get 24 stitches in total. Now we're going to attach the stem and connect them. So we need to crochet the 2 parts together, insert the hook through the cap and then through the inner part of the cap. A single crochet stitch in each stitch around. I fasten the tail in the process. I hide the remaining tail inside the mushroom and then continue crocheting. So the 2 parts are connected, we can cut the thread, pull it through the loop, and then weave in the yarn tail. To make the edge look better, I make it similar to a stitch. Insert the hook between the front and the back loop. Then fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tail. The mushroom is ready. Now we need to embroider the scales. I'm going to use the white tail which remained after ring crocheting. I'm going to cross stitch the scales one by one. After the scales are ready, just fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tail. The mushroom is ready and you can stop here, but I'm going to show you how to make a keychain. First, open the ring using pliers, attach the bases and the toy, close the ring, and that's it! Your keychain is ready! Hope you've enjoyed crocheting with me. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for helping to grow my channel by your likes and comments. Follow DidyToys for more tutorials. See you!